Okay, this is C period on 23rd of April 2024. I was trading Eval account at the open and was looking for shorts. Got burned, but I'm happy with that it wasn't my paid account, so I will try to catch something on the paid side. Look at that, what a beautiful push. 99, 100 on ES. Approaching 100 now. Still pushing higher. 600. Yeah, so that's the thing, you know. It's just my plan was to grab this cheaper somewhere here. But we never got that price. It just kept going up and up and up. So. All right. A lovely push. So. Market is just pushing high and high and higher. I'm thinking once we hit this buy side liquidity on ES, just yeah, that's the liquidity I'm looking for to be taken. Yep. It's a huge number here. So we're gonna get a nice push. We might even get it to up to 20. Yeah, so let's just no, it's not next. Next is 20. Enormous move. Where's he is? Okay. 505. And Q up to 12. We're still going, we're still climbing. For running. I'm gonna
Order
go.
filled.
Let's try pay the count. I'm gonna be very quick to grab something. Are you gonna push this motherfucker against me? Yeah, front running has to happen. No fucking way. Yes, it's pulling. Yes, it's pulling a little bit. Let's see. Let's see how much we're gonna grab on this one. Yeah. $5.50 is waiting. Could go down there. So I'm just gonna grab all I can. Just not gonna give it back for sure. See if we're gonna get a little bit lower. On 60. So let's move this to 60 somewhere here. 67, 62. See if I can have that. Ah, fuck
Order
it.
filled.
Fuck you. Not gonna. This is just the first pullback. I have a tendency to hold first pullbacks and they go against me. Let's just wait for a little push back into 600. We have liquidity to 550, so we should, technically speaking, get down there at some point. The question is, we're gonna go now or bounce first? We're gonna bounce first. So I want to see bounce to 600, and the problem is that that liquidity has not been swept yet. Yeah, I would like to see a squeeze. All right. Looks like
order filled.
Looks like they want to go now. Yeah, or not? Waiting for this 550 to be honest. See if we're gonna get that. We still can push high, obviously, to grab the liquidity, but like that. 15 minutes candle. They might just go and grab 15 minutes candle. $15 candle is here. So let's grab that. A little profit.
Target filled.
All right. It's $200 on the day on the PA account. Back into this fair value gap in 2 minutes. They grabbed that 15 minutes candle bottom. What are we gonna do next? ES, fair value gap, bearish fair value gap on NQ as well in 2 minutes. Let's question if they're gonna go there. Oops, what am I doing? Just wanted to go short here.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can continue to that 50. Not gonna give it back. Scalping really, it's just scalps. Oh, I'm gonna take the $80. Fuck that. Brings us to 287. Every time I'm trying to hold something longer, I'm getting in trouble. Alright, okay, so that 15-minute candle has been taken. We do have a fair value gap here, bullish. 2 minutes. But I wouldn't go bullish. It's on 5 minutes, the same story. She's still bullish, you know, the market is still going up. There's a 15 minutes candle. Bullish fair value gap. So everywhere we look, it's a bullish action here. We could go up there. Just going to quickly check what ES is doing. Okay, still has got liquidity here, liquidity down there. Let's see. Let's look one more time on this thing. So that is the first day. That's a Wednesday high. Wow. On NQ, we have, what's that? Friday is here. So this is Thursday. And we are we kind of pushed, we haven't really, still one more push, the same thing here. So at the same time we did take that liquidity and that, okay, well, it's always a difficulty to judge whether the liquidity was. Okay. Let's see what's gonna happen once we take this 550. I might go long. More liquidity. Big boys are buying. Big boys are buying here as well. And we've been 6,000 actually. Now we dropped to 470. So they are taking a little bit of profit. One more dip into that. And we have 52. At full hour we might be up there. And push higher. So there we go. It's going. Look at that. Was considering to get long here. There we go. Now it looks like now we're gonna push through this level. We'll definitely push through that level. So I think I'm just gonna grab what I can. Just actually doing something else and missed that. Let's see if we can get a nice pullback to 580 maybe, somewhere here.
Order submitted.
Don't think we will, because they're gonna rush. Got 2 more minutes. There you go, we're going up. So far, 287 on the scalps. I'm not holding anything. Should have got in here. But okay, let me quickly have a look what ES has done. Okay, ES has just pushed through the liquidity. Nasdaq hasn't done it. Let's just look for a little pullback. $575. Yeah, 1 minute they're gonna push through that level. Continue higher, sell into this liquidity. We're gonna get a nice push probably to 20. What Nasdaq likes to do. So it's too late for me. Unless I get a pullback. $75. There we go.
Order cancelled.
So NQ just pushed through the level. Full hour. Let's see what we're gonna do next. Are we going to continue or we're dropping? This is 1 hour and a half of trading. I'd like to see a proper push.
Protect your trades from macro
It's not enough.
risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
This is where we are. If you look at the 15-minute candle, this is Thursday last week. So we just took that range, that bottom range. There we go. It looks promising. Let's go. On the risk now a little bit. I think we just we can quickly get down there. I'm gonna grab this 100 because we're gonna bounce back, I think. Somewhere here. I like to do that. No. 80. Somebody's waiting at 80. I'm waiting at 83. Let's wait at 79. Oh, yeah. It's going quicker than I thought. But yes, it's pulling as well. 550. Beautiful move to the downside. Unfortunately, I got out too early. Should get a little bit of front running once we hit that 550, but I'm not gonna step in front of it. No way. Look at that. Yeah. Should be on the short side, adding. Pulling even lower. We're gonna close this fair value gap on 15 minutes. Look at that. Pushing even lower. Closed my short too early. Alright, we're pulling higher. Wasted a beautiful move to the downside. Smaller. Gonna go 2. Got 3 minutes on this candle, so maybe one more push. 65 or so. Let's try to
Order
get
submitted.
in here. Maybe even more. So they did take this 15-minute candle as well. Alright, let's just wait a bit higher. 78 is the fair value gap here on 3 minutes. 70, yeah, even like 83. Well, let's wait. Let's see what they're gonna do. We are up $377 for the day. After I have blown up evaluation account. $67, $65. It's not doing it. 63, 65 maybe it will push up here. Got one more minute, so let's quickly have a look on ES. All right. A 60 is like a maximum we could squeeze if we even go there, but probably not gonna even go there. 30 seconds on this candle. Push to 65. Six seconds on this candle. This candle is not dropping on the final seconds. That means we can push higher. That means we can push a bit higher. All right, I'm gonna grab here 65. It's my first entry. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna be adding on the way up.
Order submitted.
You know. $83. What have we got in here? This can still go a bit higher. $80 is possible push. Somebody's waiting. 80. $80. Can see 80 here waiting. But at the same time, we got 85 now. And I don't like this short anymore. Because we didn't take the proper stop loss run on that. There's only 5 points. Market is pulling higher. 1,500 delta. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm waiting for this to be honest. That's fucking long. That is long.
Order
That's
filled.
long. I'm gonna push now. Come on. They grab that low. They're gonna, I think, push into the highs now. And make the proper stop loss run. Am I right or not? I think I am. I've seen it a couple of times. Fair value gap has been closed. Got too early into this long. But let's see, because that's what they should do. Push through that level and go to 620. Where's ES? ES is 110, possible 110 push. Let's hold this now. Delta 2000 on this push. The buyers are stepping in, not like that. Can get a squeeze. It will be a perfect squeeze. You know, all the ICT guys jumped on the fair value gap. They grabbed the low. They collected a lot of liquidity. Down the market is bullish. They can just keep going up. And what I'm gonna do this time, I will sell 3 into this high.
Order submitted.
That's what I'm gonna do. And I'll keep the 2 up. Just to run them. Come on. It's not pushing yet. I'm getting tired of this long. Alright, finally. Let's go. Squeeze them. No. Let's go, baby. Squeeze them now. 600. 600 is waiting. Let's just close it here before. Okay, so we're gonna probably chop here for a while. It's 18 past. Got 12 more minutes. So we can pull down now as well. But the squeeze is coming. The reason I'm not shorting this is because we haven't taken this liquidity in a proper way. That push over that blue line up there, here, it's not enough. What is this, like 3 or 4 points? That's not a normal liquidity grab. There was no stop loss hunt on that thing. All the stop losses are still up there. A lot of shorts got short on that drop. So that's obvious, now that the market will go there. Question is how long it will take. And I have an issue with my patience, because I grabbed it long a little bit high. And they might just pull one more time, to be honest. They might pull down one more time. To attract shorts. Got 10 more minutes. I'm just gonna grab it because I think we might pull down a little bit. If we don't, then it's okay. I got that too high. All right, so now they sold. Let's see how far we're gonna go. So you see, wasn't enough. Wasn't my patience wasn't enough. ES hasn't done that yet. ES still has got some space to the upside. Just move this line. Nasdaq. Still pushing to 16.15, 16.20. There you go, it keeps going up. So again, I took my profits too early, but these are profits, $423. I will improve on that, I think.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and
5
get
more
our
minutes.
special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month.
So here's another level
92%.
they might use. I'm so angry at myself that I didn't keep that, because that was obvious we're gonna go over here. Just left on the plate, like 20 points. Because I would sold into that low. Let's look at the on ES. ES still has got that level. 110. Is that a level? I don't believe it because ES has not swept the top. ES has not swept the top. Well, and we have 2 more minutes. You know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna go free here. Get 80 maybe. We can get 80
Order submitted.
somewhere here. 85. Is there a news or something right now? No. Okay, let's just leave this here. Maybe we'll get tagged.
Order
Get me in.
held.
Right, fine. And I want to push through this level. Now push through this level and let's go up. I haven't got much liquidity up there. Crazy. 620. Yeah, 620 will be a good place. Have we taken the liquidity? Oh, it's just 7 points really. Not what I'm looking for. I always look for 15, 20 points. That'll be a proper. But okay. 11:30. Let's see if we're gonna push. It has to happen soon. A little fake out to grab more shorts. And now push into this 620. It's kind of risky trade, yeah, but that's only 3 contracts. Let's go. Right. 620. 618. I'm gonna try to get out full amount. I might get out like one by one on the way up. Once I see this push,
Order
I'll get out
submitted.
with one. I'm gonna keep. This could be like a final. I'm not gonna give it back. This needs to push, basically. This needs to push. I'm gonna get out one here. Just before this equal high. Come on, let's go. Because they can play around here for another half an hour, you know? That's the problem. But I don't think they... Do I want to give them... I have to give them my... Oh, yeah. Jesus. Okay, now... What now? They grabbed that 15 minutes candle. 1 minute and 53 seconds on this candle. short now, to be honest. But hopefully we'll reverse and sell into the highs and make the proper stop run. ES is falling as well. ES didn't sweep the high. Nasdaq swept it by 7 points. It's always this question. What's gonna happen next? Doesn't look too good. The fact that it's holding makes me think we're gonna reverse. Got 10 more seconds on this candle. We grab the 15 minutes liquidity. Okay, I like that. But I don't see much liquidity. 95, 600 is just maximum. All right, 610 now looking good. $605, 610. Okay, so we have survived that pullback. ES as well is pulling up. I will sell this here now, and we'll see how far we can go. The rest, 610 is liquidity is there. Again, pulling down. Oh, we should hold this. Tick chart is about 0.9. Buyers are stepping in. God damn it. I think I will start to scalp this because we might be in this range for a while. And we are 37 past 11. Quick look at the yes, okay, 90 and 100, so we're in the middle. We are in the middle of this crap. So it looks like scalping now, and I'm in the higher part of the chart. Yeah. If I see 600 one more time, I'm out. $50 seconds on this candle. Let's see how this candle closes. $600, $605, $610. Alright, I'm out.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
wait for this. Can get it one more time here. If we pull lower, we get one more time.
Order submitted.
And if you continue higher, then be it. 406. What is it? 53 or 63? Yeah. Now it's gonna go. It's typical. Typical. Well, maybe not. Maybe we'll get in again. Good price. Let's see. 580. Let's get that one more time. Liquidity is at 80. Okay, so they did pull here. It's 41 past. I try to grab this 80. Let's try to see if we can get 80. Maybe even cheaper. Looks like it wants to go to 70 to grab everything. The 15-minute candle. It
Order
could.
canceled.
I'm gonna wait till they grab this 15-minute. I've got 3 more minutes on this candle. There is a fair value gap here. You can see that. So possibly we'll tap into it. 70. Somewhere here. On 3 minutes. You can see this fair value gap here. 68, 70. Why not? Could go there. And that will bring us to another 15 minutes of chop, and then maybe, perhaps, push into the highs. ES is doing a similar action here. You know, look at that. It's just We do have that liquidity here to grab. It's gonna be a 15 minutes liquidity grab. We are approaching lunch hour, 12 o'clock New York. I want this to tip into that fair value gap somewhere here.
Order
65,
submitted.
somewhere here. Even 60. Yeah, give me more. Give me more. Is that all? We have trap shorts here, so yeah, definitely they're gonna be getting out. 70 liquidity. And we have 15 more minutes. Just wait. 65, I can see 65 liquidity. That's why I'm moving this all the time. Because I see 65 liquidity. Well, we can get like half of that fair value gap. The worrying bit is that there's no liquidity up here now. And I don't know if we did take that 600. No, we didn't take that. That is not a proper way of pushing through stop losses. There was no stop loss run on that. Do we see anything? 19. That's a lot. It's 4 points more. $13 more minutes. I'm gonna have lunchtime. Okay, looks like 13 more minutes. Looks like we're turning around. Two more minutes on this candle.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Let's see. $62 liquidity is there, 62.5. So let's move that. Okay, 62. $49. I don't think we're gonna get down there. It looks very decent now. They grabbed this 15-minute candle. The only problem I see is this 1000. But let's see if they're gonna. I'm tempted to get in. I can see some absorption. Just buy into this absorption now. Once I see. Oh, let's get in.
Order filled.
We got in. Now we're in. And let's see. 15 minutes taken. We are in the fair value gap. That's a bullish fair value gap. And I don't know. We might even add start with when we start to go up. One leg, second leg. It's a decent place. The only worry that I have, I don't see anything here. No liquidity above. That's the only problem I see with this trade. But this can change at any second. I think it went even lower. No liquidity above, that's the problem. That is the problem. But I want to see a push into the highs one more time. Mm-mm. 51. $11.51. Let's see. Let's give this a chance. Let's see if liquidity is gonna come back at 600 and 610 once we push through this. Okay, looks better. That is looking better. They have grabbed everything they could, and they should start to think about selling it at the top. I'm just gonna hold this 3 contracts. See how far we can go. Yeah, liquidity is coming back, as you can see, 85, 90. And it's actually pushing higher. 600 liquidity is back. Slowly coming back. Seven more minutes.
Order
I just
filled.
add here. I can see they're buying it. Now it's just holding game. Tick chart above 0 line. Let's hope we're gonna be at the top in 6 minutes. And take that 610 level. A little bit of pullback on this 5-minute candle. That's normal. Yeah, 17,600 is waiting. Liquidity came back. Five more minutes on this period. Let's see if we squeeze now to 600. Hmm. Four minutes. Not good. That's what that's what happens when you hold. And then it goes away when you stop holding it. Let's see how this is gonna. Yeah, not looking too good, to be honest, by looking at liquidity. 57. Got 3 more minutes. But ES is holding. One minute on this candle and on that period. And that means that we can still chop here for another half an hour. That's the problem. Yeah. There you go. Okay, now they grabbed everything. Not yet. They can. They could pull low if they wanted. That's 59. 30 more seconds. Let's see what they're gonna do now. I think because we have some time for chop. No. That's a good entry here. But I'm not gonna add. I'm already 5. Yeah, so my thinking about like, oh yeah, I was good, but my worry was about liquidity up here. Didn't see much liquidity. That's the problem. Got fair value gap now, very fair value gap on 3 minutes. Let's see what they're gonna do with that. Right, new period. I think I'm gonna just bail on that push. Come on. Oh, God damn it. I had my chance. No, I'm out.
Order
Don't like
filled.
that. Take that loss. Not a big loss, but I don't like it. We still have a liquidity here. If they wanted to go lower, they can do that. Let's not forget about this. This is lunchtime. Now I can just chop around for quite a long time. So I prefer to be out. So 540, let's look here. There you go, I still got this 590. Yeah, and if we look on the years, 590 is here. So that's like 6 points lower. We could go lower than. Look at it. Fuck, you know. What are we doing? Are we scalping this now? The upside? It's a good number, 1,600. Let's see if we can get in. No. No, let's not do that. We had our chance. See if I buy this at the top here. This will push here and come back. That's a 15-minute candle here, right? So they want to sell into that. Might get in at 75. You see it?
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial
Order
Use Pro
submitted.
for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
With a second candle. Second candle will open in 26 seconds and we might pull. They didn't sell it yet into that minor liquidity. That's a 15-minute candle. They have not sold that yet. I might do it now. Push to 600. Alright, that's the opportunity now to get in one more time. 75. Yeah. Took the liquidity.
Order
Too late.
canceled.
Yeah. 600 wants to be traded. Very flat top, very flat here. I thought for a second that they might go and grab this 15-minute candle. That was the reason why I got out. But I might do it now. Once they sold into that, they can just pull now. We'll see. Stop us as well, basically popping here. It's $423 a day. Liquidity is at 760, so 12 points more. Or they will leave it for later. Yeah, so this is how they rob you. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna stop here. It was wasn't the best day. I blown up my Eval account today, and but I made money on my paid account, so $423. Thanks a lot, and see you tomorrow. That was a trap trader from London. Like and subscribe.